Hello writers and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about the power of writing ChatGPT prompts and how they can help inspire your creativity and jumpstart your writing. For those who may not know, writing prompts are short sentences or phrases designed to inspire new ideas and help overcome writer's block. They can come in many different forms, from single words to more complex scenarios. Using writing prompts can be a great way to get your creative juices flowing and take your writing in a new direction. They can also help you explore new themes and styles, or challenge you to write in a new genre. Let's dive in. Prompt number 1, write a story about a character who must navigate a mysterious labyrinth. Prompt number 2, create a story about a person who learns to live in the present. Prompt number 3, write a scene in which a character faces their greatest challenge. Prompt number 4, describe a character who must choose between love and adventure. Prompt number 5, write a story about a person who discovers a magical world. Prompt number 6, create a story in which a character must confront their deepest fears. Prompt number 7, write a scene in which a person must make a life-changing decision. Prompt number 8, describe a person who embarks on a journey of self-discovery. Prompt number 9, write a story about a character who must save their community from a natural disaster. Prompt number 10, create a story about a person who overcomes a traumatic experience. Prompt number 11, write a scene in which a character must learn to forgive. Prompt number 12, describe a person who must choose between two paths in life. Prompt number 13, write a story about a character who must find their place in the world. Prompt number 14, create a story in which a person must solve a mystery. Prompt number 15, write a scene in which a character must confront their own mortality. Prompt number 16, describe a world in which technology has taken over. Prompt number 17, write a story about a person who must find the courage to stand up for what's right. Prompt number 18, create a story about a person who finds love in unexpected circumstances. Prompt number 19, write a scene in which a character must make a difficult sacrifice. Prompt number 20, describe a person who must learn to let go of the past. Writing prompts can be a fun and exciting way to explore new ideas and bring your writing to life. The problem is that this technology can be intimidating, especially for those who are new to it. The advanced capabilities of ChatGPT are hidden behind questions that are not intuitive, and solving that problem is the entire point of my book, The ChatGPT Prompts Guide. That's where this book comes in. It's designed to help you ask better questions, so you can get better answers from ChatGPT. Make sure to check out my book in the description below and subscribe to my channel for more valuable ChatGPT tutorials. As always, thank you for watching and happy writing.